Welcome back again. As we know that we are continuing in our today, we continue for where we stopped last time, and here we are. That's what we are going to talk about. So under that place, we have sticker, we have import, we have draw, we have shape, we have bezier, we have arrow, and we are going to talk about each and every single one of them. So stick with me as we going on. So the number one we are going to talk about, the feature that we are going to talk about this morning is called sticker. You can see. So sticker. So if you let's see, you know what sticker means now. If you want to import a sticker to your distance, you can click sticker, and you have countless of sticker here that you can use for free. You understand? That means if you need them more, you can use them for free. And you have emoji here. So this sticker that is here, you cannot access them because they are premium. So you have to buy them. So another one is called import. So the work of import basically is to bring in picture, bring in object, bring in anything that you want to bring in. So let's assume I want to bring this my picture. Sorry. Let's assume I want to bring this my picture. This my picture. So bam, can see here is my picture. Here is my picture. Let's assume I bring the picture. You can see. So after that one, you will have what we call draw. Can see draw. So the draw, you can use it to draw any this thing you want. So you may want to write, but not by text. So that's basically the work of draw. Understand? Another one we have here is called shape. So when you press the shape, you can see, and you press here, you have countless shape that you can use. You have this shape that you can use at any time for your work. You can just choose anyone that you think is perfect for your work, and you can drag it down here. You can drag it, increase and decrease. You can drag, increase and decrease. You can drag, increase and decrease. So that is all about shape. Another one we have here is called bezier. So bezier, here is bezier, and under bezier you have this thing like this. You see, I don't actually use this thing, but I think people are using it. So I don't actually know what they are using it for. So that is bezier. Can just, some of you are basically what am I going to say? Some of you are creative more than me. So I just that I know what this thing does not mean I am creative. Another one we call is called arrow. So the work of arrow, you know what arrow means now? This arrow with those arrow. You can just check the size, the arrow. You can just choose anyone you want. You can just see this arrow. You can just see them. Here is the arrow. You can see. I just choose them. All this arrow also you can feed them with color. I hope I have teach you guys how to fish it with color. So that is all about that place. And now let me show you something. That assuming is it that you bring in picture, or you bring in what is you call shape. There is something about this thing is going to open. You can see when we bring in shape, we have these two here. I think I have told you about delete. I've told you about crop. Let me show you about crop. That is, if you want to crop your this thing, you are looking for a certain size, you can crop it, and you see. So I think I have told you about for this thing, how to bring to front, how to bring to back. I have teach all these things. If you don't watch it, you can go back and watch those videos. I have told you about position. I've teach about relative position. All of them are the same. Let me talk about how to resize object now. Let's assume you have this object or your picture. You can just drag it, drag it, drag it, drag it. That is how you increase your. I've told you about email, about what's it called, color. Now when you press the color, I told you guys that you can see all things. I've teach you how to choose brand new color. I've choose you how to how to bring do brand new color, and I've teach you guys about texture. That the work of texture is to bring in image, to make that thing look like image. All right, is to bring in image in that thing. And when I bring in color, you can see what I have here. You can see what I have here. This is what I'm saying. You can see that that thing I change. Now that time that you are bringing in, you can see that it doesn't reflect. It's because I choose what is it called? It's because I choose color already. So in order to make this thing reflect, I have to off the color that I bring in, and I've told you guys how to off the color. So that is also when I off the on the color, it will bring back my color. After you got about opacity, after you guys about color filter. Let me see you about color filter. Sorry. This is, you can do your hue, you can do your saturation, you can do your brightness, you can do your contrast, you can do everything that you want to do. You can do everything that you want to do. Alright? You can do everything you want to do. So about 3 is called stroke. So I've teach you guys about stroke. You can see. I teach you guys about stroke. I've teach you guys about stroke. Another one is called erase. So let me talk about the erase. So it's good. It's used to erase someone. Maybe you want to erase your background picture. You can see you have a picture that you want to erase its background. You have a picture that you want to erase the background. You can see that's how to use eraser. So another one is marks. I think I've told you guys about marks. So you have seen how to. If you don't watch the video, go and watch it now. So you will not be saying you don't know what I'm saying. This one is, you can see, this one is helping. Understand? So another one is called rotate. So I told you guys about this thing, about the 3D, about the shadow, about the perspective. It's still the same thing. So another one we are going to talk about now is this one. This one. This one here. That's one we are going to talk about. Now the work of this one basically, the work of this one is basically, the work that you can do here is, we are going to talk about from camera, from gallery, from image crop, from image size, and then we have transparency and color. So I hope you guys know the color, that if you want to check the color of your background, you can press this one, you can choose anyone that you want to choose. You can choose anyone that you want to choose. You can choose anyone that you want to choose, and after that one, we have transparent. So the work of transparent is to remove the total background. So when you click on transparent, it will remove all the total background. So another one we have here is called image size. Okay, image size. So the work of image size is to choose the actual size that you are looking for. Take for example, let's assume I want to create Facebook and YouTube thumbnail. I can just look for YouTube thumbnail here. I can press here, and I press that place, this one will show up, and I can just click YouTube thumbnail for, and I say okay. You can see it has generated me YouTube thumbnail size. So you can just choose any size that you want. If you don't want any of this one, and you know the ratio, the pixels of what you are looking for, if you are looking for 2000 pixels, 3000 pixels with 1000 wide and height, you can just, I just choose anyone that you want to choose, and they are doing what, they are working. And let's assume Pixellab have image on their own. You see image. So if you want to, you should have a Pixellab. If you don't like a image that you are using, you want to add image from Pixellab app, you just have to click on image, and when you click on image, you see all kinds of image here. that you can use. That means if you prefer them, no, as you all kinds of image, and if you use any of this image, there is no issue at all. There is no issue at all at all. And another one is called from gallery. From gallery. Now, if you have what is called, if you have a particular picture that you downloaded maybe online and you want to use as your background, you click from background, then you will select the background, the color that you want to use. Bam, we have the background here. And another one is called from camera. You can see maybe this one, any picture that your camera plays. And another one we are going to talk about here in this video is this one that is here, this one that be like shine. So when you click on that one, you have another set of settings here. I have another set of settings here. This one is called rotate. You can see if I click on it, the background will be rotating. This one is called vignette. So if I click on vignette and I enable it, and I have something like this, okay? When I click on vignette, I have something like this. All right. Another one is called noise. When I unlock the noise, it will give me total noise of that EMC. It will turn the background into something else entirely. Another one is called stripped. So you can see, you may be seeing this kind of things in somewhere. This is how they are doing it. This is how they are doing it. Another one is called brightness. Maybe you want to increase the brightness of your background. You can just can increase, you can decrease. Another one we have here is called contrast. If you increase, you decrease. So you can just do anything that you want. Another one is called saturation. You see the saturation, you can just do as you like. All right, so that is that about that. And another one I'm going to tell you about is called this one. This one, I don't really know its name, but based on as far as you are going to use what is it called, Pixellab, you have to know. Maybe you want to change your background, that you are know that you want to delete all the work that you have been doing at the same time. You don't want any of them to save. You will click that place, you press default, and you say you say okay. And when so another one we are going to talk about is this one. So this one now is when you want to erase, you want to delete all the work that you have been doing. You don't understand it, you want to delete it, you can clean that one and you say default. And when you say default, it will bring you what is it called, maybe you want the work to be deleted, and you will say okay. And when you say okay, the work will be will be deleted, and you can just choose any of these what is it called, any of this pattern here. So they are trying to teach you how to do things, and we have that one. You can just choose. So if you want to use their technique, you can. This is 3D. This is 3D test. This is another 3D. So if you want to use their what is it called, their method, this is a reflection, this is shine, this is inner. You can see they are teaching you how to use that one. So another one we are going to talk about is all this one that are here, 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 and this one. So, and without wasting our time, this one is to, it has a lot of things about. So here you see use from gallery, the same thing that we did that time. If you want to import an image from gallery, so the same thing we did that time. So another one we have here, let me bring it down. We have full screen. Maybe we want to show it from full screen. Another one we have here is called use image from what is it called, from camera. Another one we have here is called image export image. Another one is image search. Another one is contact us, tutorial. We have remove art. We have recover autosave, and we have open. We have about. We have exit. So all this one, you can just take your time and look for them. And here we have quotes. Maybe you are, and here is a quote that Pixellab have on its own. Maybe you want to generate birthday post, and here if you come there, you can see motivational quotes. can see motivational quotes that you can use. And if you don't like motivational, you will come here, you will see another. When you press it, you will see all the quotes that are available. Motivation, success, friendship, happiness, inspiration, positivity, absorbs. So you can just choose anyone and pick from any one of them. And this one is here. Maybe you want to share your work, give your friend or to anyone. Now, if you finish work and you want to save this to your phone, all you have to do is click here. So when you click here, you can either do one, two things. One is to save it as image, or you can save it as project. So when you click on project, you have to name it. I have to name it tutorial, and you say okay, and boom, is save. This one now is not save on your phone as image, it's save on your project file, project document. So you will only see it when you go for your job. So another one we have here is called save as image. This one now, when you save it as image, you will click save to gallery, click save to gallery, and boom, your image is saved. So you can send it to any person you want to send it to. And another one we have here is the same thing. If you want to bring in text, if you want to generate current dates, you want to bring sticker, you want to bring shape, you want to pick picture from gallery, you want to draw, because all these things are almost the same. And another one I'm going to tell you about is called um zoom in and zoom out. Now let me use this one, zoom in and zoom out. Sorry, let me use this one. And if I can just, you go put your two hand like this, then you go drag it, you go drag it, you go drag it. Maybe you want to do a certain place and you are not seeing it very well. I just, so once you drag it to where you want to see it, you will now press that place back. You will now press this place back. So when you press that place back, it will key. You can see if I use my hand to move it now, the thing is not moving, it has been killed. So you can just edit what you want to edit and type what you want to type. Okay, so let me bring it back, let me bring it back, let me bring it back. So another one I'm going to talk about is this one. So this one that is here is called grid. Okay, it's called grid. It is used to do the measurement of work, how you want the length to go, how you want the length to go, how you want everything to go. So it is what you use to do the work. You can be saying that if you don't want your distance to more than 3 places, you can just put it there at within this 3 line. No, my shape must be inside. So another one we have here is called undo. Let assuming I do a work and I don't like the way I do it, I can just click on undo. And when I click on undo, it will reverse the work that I did that is not well. It will reverse it. Another one we have here, I don't know the name they are calling it, but it is useful. Let's say you want to merge you don't want this, you can see, you don't want this thing to be moving. You can see it's moving now. You want to key it, to one place, you don't want it to be moving. You press this one, that key, that key. So when you press that key, you can see I cannot move it again. So if you don't want people to see what you have there, you can just sprinkle on that eyes. So when you press that eyes, what you have there will be erased. So it's the same thing if you want delete and if you want edit what you have there. Okay, so there is another one they are calling. Let me type another thing. Let me type another thing and show you one thing. Sorry, let me type another thing and show you one thing. So, sorry. Let me type another thing and show you one thing. Let's assume I want to make these two image together. Now you can see that these two texts are totally different. So I will come here. So when I come that place, I will come to this place. You see my arrow. So when I come to that place, I will press this one. I will select the one that I want to do. I will select this one. I'll select this one. I'll select what I want to make. When I select it finish, I will come here to that place, and when I get there, I press it and I'll press OK. And when I press OK, boom, the two tests are became one. So that is how about all the features in Pixellab. And the next one we are going to get into is main design. I will design a live design, so you will see how to use the feature effectively. So you can, your creativity is good, you can just do your own and send it to me if you want. So another thing we are going to talk about is, thank you so much for watching the video from very to end. God bless you. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And without wasting our time, as always, see you in my next video. Thank you.